In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for brainstorming, a step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know how to reset past context, pick the ideal model for speed or depth, guide the AI with the right prompt, organize ideas on a clean canvas, refine them surgically, and export a polished brainstorm you can share. First, start with a fresh slate so past chats don't color your new session. Head to the bottom left corner and click your profile picture. Open Settings, choose Personalization, then Manage Memories. Take a moment to clear any old or unrelated facts. This helps the AI respond to your current goals rather than recycling context from previous projects. Think of it like wiping a whiteboard before a new meeting. Next, choose the right model for where you are in the process. At the top of your chat window, open the model dropdown. If you want a flood of fast, unconventional ideas or big lists, pick the instant tier. It's perfect for rapid-fire ideation and momentum. When you're ready to pressure test concepts, assess risks, or think through trade-offs, switch to the thinking tier. It takes a touch longer, but the payoff is deeper analysis. You can move between them as your needs shift. Now, prime the conversation so it becomes about you and your goals. In the message box, paste. I want to brainstorm creative concepts for insert your project topic here. Before you give me any ideas, ask me 3 highly targeted questions one by one about my target audience, my budget, and my style goals so we can narrow this down. Answer the questions one at a time. Be concrete and concise. Your clarity here pays off in smarter, more tailored ideas. Once you've answered, open a clean workspace to organize everything. Type/canvas. Create a structured brainstorming matrix for our ideas. Format it into a clean table showing the concept name, the core hook, and the potential risks. The interface will split with chat on the left and a tidy, editable document on the right. This keeps your best thinking visible without scrolling through a long thread. With your ideas laid out, refine surgically. Highlight any sentence or concept on the right-hand canvas, click the comment bubble, and give a direct instruction like, give me 3 unconventional variations of this specific idea, or make this tagline sound way more exciting. Only the highlighted text updates, so your board stays organized. When you're happy, click export or download in the Canvas header and save your matrix as a Word document, Markdown file, or PDF. That gives you a clean artifact to print, share, or revisit later. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.